We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More. If you haven't been following us recently, we set out to stay in some of the most unique Airbnbs in America and share our experience with you. Tonight we are staying in the coolest A-frame cabin called the Starling in Swannanoa, North Carolina. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our other incredible stays.
Looks like it's gonna be a little bit of a hike to get up there.
This is a magical walk.
Oh my god! This is so cool! And I fit perfectly! So now it's time for a full tour of this amazing A-frame cabin, so let's go. So when you walk in here, you come into the main space that kind of has everything for you. Over here is this quaint little dining area that has your guest book as well as some York patties for you when you get here, which is so sweet. And then right next to the dining area is your wood burning stove that you can use in the cold months. In the warm months, they ask you not to use it. And then on this side, you've got a huge couch with a bunch of reading material that they provided for you and some little games back here, including Jenga. I have a score to settle with Hayden. So
Yeah, because you lost twice. 2-0, baby. Undefeated.
we'll change that. Over here in the kitchen, they have everything basic that you need, including mugs, cups, bowls, plates, pot, pan, a burner with a kettle. And I love the fact that they have this little jar of coffee that makes exactly one French press. So it's already measured out for you. You just pop it in here in the morning with your hot water and we'll have some cups of coffee. I will have some cups of coffee. And then this is your sink, and it actually drains outside, so make sure you don't put any food down there. Down here, they have a cooler, and they do provide an ice pack that lasts about a day or two. Here is your shower. So you actually have this black bag that you'll go and fill up with hot water, and you hang it outside on the deck, and you can have an outdoor shower with this thing. Out here, you've got this precious private deck with a couple of chairs, a bench, and then a hook for your shower. One thing to note, there is no air conditioning. However, you can open up all of these gigantic windows to let some air in, and then they have a fan inside. Let's go check out the bed. So this little ladder over in this corner leads you up to the coziest little bed ever. It's just so cozy up here.
Did you hit your hand? Are you okay?
Yeah. And they even have little bedside tables for you so you can put your stuff. Looks like they have some plugs.
All right, outside?
Outside. Back out here, we've got a couple of things as well. So if you're wondering where the bathroom is, it's this way. Simple, easy bathroom. So essentially a composting toilet. You do your business, give a scoop of dirt, germ eggs, you're good to go. They have a nice hammock. I need to go this way. Oh, we're connected to a huge beech tree, which is really beautiful. Now it's time for the last and final thing. Kinda. 2 things.
Yes.
3 things.
3 things.
Listen.
Uh-oh.
Okay, and then over here we've got our fire pit, and they've stocked you with wood. There's actually hot water down towards their house. These signs tell you where to go. And then, let's see, where is it? This way?
Yeah.
Better win. Okay, so this is the RR Trail, and then I think the first word's rhododendron. I'm not sure what the other one is. Anyway, this is their trail that they have. You can go all the way up to the highest point on their property and then come back down, and it takes about 10 minutes, so we might have to do that later.
Oh, yeah.
Let's
Do dinner.
do something. Oh, dinner.
I'm
oh
hungry.
My gosh, we're starving. Let's do that. We took the easy path tonight, which I'm not ashamed of. We got spicy chicken, signature rice. Perfect.
It was frozen food, so it can only be so good, but I was impressed.
got one something, so we're even. So we're good. I'm living out here. In I go.
Well,
Breakfast, a little moldy. We're gonna maybe use some
toast. Avocado toast.
Run to forest, old and precious. Taste the game, though we've changed.
Could just sit out here all day.
Yeah.
We can return again.
Time for the notebook.
My brother.
And done. Gotta get my boots on for the trail.
You are the first or only person on a trail. You are called the cob knocker because you are knocking down all the cobwebs.
We kind of made it to a clearing. We're not sure if it goes on that way or this way, so we're just up here enjoying. If you look through the trees, you can see mountains around us. So I bet in the fall and the winter, when you can see through the trees, it's really pretty.
A very pretty trail just to walk up here. So definitely do it if you come stay at the Starling. We got to meet the host, Ryan. He and his wife bought the property and then decided to build the Roost, which is the second Airbnb on this property, and then built the A-frame shortly after that. Ryan completely built them himself, so very impressive on just the craftsmanship, and he's actually working on multiple projects right now to add some more A-frames and cabins so that more people can come and stay at this beautiful spot. One of the biggest pieces of inspiration is he actually grew up with his family in a little solar powered cabin with just an outhouse and then on a bunch of land. And so he wanted to allow other people to come and experience that as well. They are amazing spots, so definitely come check them out. This A-frame is definitely our favorite that we've stayed in to date. It's so peaceful. We are heading to Sevierville now to go stay in a dome, so make sure you check out our next video. But for now, if you want to book this place, we'll leave a link in the description below. It is very inexpensive, only about $90 for a night. It's booked out, so you'll have to look for some dates that open up. Oh,
Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already so you can follow us along on all of our journeys. We would love to have you.
Yes.
But for now, come journey more with us.
And we'll see you next time. This A-frame is definitely our A-frame that we've stayed in today. Our A-frame.
Can you say it?
Rendon?
No.
Oh, this tree is dying. It needs help. Life support.
Rhododendron. Try to say that.
I think it's rhododendron.
Oh, well, that's not what you said the first time.
Oh.
I just hit the candle with my head.
Well, no toaster, so avocado bread. Woo! Aw, it didn't work that time. Oh, it's a bear horn.
Oh, just in case we have a bear problem.
Maybe we just won't scare them away and we'll just watch them.
You like to take your ladder slow there?
I will never not take them.
The tortoise and the hare, that's what we are.
Slow and steady wins the race because I will not fall. I will be steadily holding onto the ladder.
That's true,
Every rung.
which is good. That's what we want.